Welcome to the unboxing of this 32-inch mirror Google TV. Inside this well-protected package, the TV is securely cushioned with EPE foam padding and packed in both an inner carton and an outer mailing box for extra protection. As we open the box, we find two accessory bags that contain the essential items: a user manual, voice remote control, remote holder, installation screws, and a leakage protection power cord. The front of the TV features a stunning optical mirror panel. Additionally, it comes with an easy-to-use wall mounting or recessed bracket already attached to the TV back, designed for a hassle-free installation. To install, simply mount the bracket on the wall or recess it into the wall, securing it by screwing from the sides or back. In terms of connectivity, this TV is equipped with 4 HDMI ports, including eARC and CEC for enhanced audio and device control, as well as a V connections, Ethernet input, Optical Audio Out, TV tuner signal input, and 2 USB ports. Installation is straightforward. Just hang the TV onto the bracket effortlessly, whether it's mounted on or recessed into the wall. Lastly, the package includes a remote holder, which can be easily mounted on the wall using the double-sided tape on the back. Simply attach the holder to the wall and slide the remote into it for convenient storage.